Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you, did you know you can add contact and send WhatsApp messages directly from your PC without touching your phone. In this video I will show you the easiest working method. First you need to open the WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop app on your PC. Now go to the new chat icon. Here you can get the chat icon as you can see guys. So just click on it, or in the bottom left side corner of your screen you can get the profile picture of yours. Just click on it and then here you can get this type of interface as you can see guys. Now here you can get the option add contact. Just simply click on it, enter your name of your contact and then simply enter your phone number, then simply click on a right arrow mark. Now this contact was added to your contact list. Now go to your chat section and search your contact number which you have recently saved it and simply open it. Now you can easily able to send the messages without needing your phone. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more WhatsApp tips, tricks and troubleshooting. See you in the next one.